In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from CIBC to TD Bank account. The first thing you want to do is open the CIBC app, though this can also be done on your computer with a similar process. Once you have the app open, go to the top left corner and click the three little lines to open the menu. At the top of the menu, it should say your name, with some details below. From here, look for the Move Money section, and underneath it, you should see Interac e-Transfer. Click on that, and you'll need to register for Interac e-Transfer by entering your personal information, such as your legal name, email address, and mobile phone number. Afterward, you can read and agree to the terms and conditions, then click Register at the bottom right corner. Next, you'll need to add a contact by selecting the Contact List option, then clicking Add New Contact. You can enter the contact's name, choose how to notify them, and input either their email address or mobile number, whichever is easier for you. Afterward, click Save in the bottom right corner, and you will be sent a verification code via text or phone call. Enter that code to complete adding your contact. Once your contact is added, you're ready to send money. Enter the amount you wish to send, select the account to transfer from, choose the contact you just added, and decide how to notify them. You can also create a security question and answer that only you and your contact will know. If your contact is registered for auto deposit, you won't need to set up a question and answer. Afterward, you can choose how often you'd like the transfer to be sent and set start and end dates. If it's not a recurring payment, simply change the How Often setting to Once. Review your details, and once everything looks good, click Continue at the bottom right corner. Once you send it, your contact will receive a notification and can claim the money within 30 days. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.